Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. I'm out exploring a new place to set up to do maybe day videos. And figured while I'm out here I'll take a little lunch break since it's noon anyway. I'm going to have the Cincinnati style chili with beef from Backpacker's Pantry. It's one of the ones I bought. Buy two get one free, so I was able to save a few bucks. Let's see, our way was spaghetti. Oh, spaghetti nini, beans, beef, onions. Nod to the Northwest flavors of cinnamon, clove, and hint of dark chocolate. Okay, I don't think I've ever had dark chocolate in chili before, so that should be interesting. I do like chili and I like chocolate. So two and a quarter cups of water, boiling water. Never had this meal before, so. And they put spaghetti noodles in it. As I breathe in the dust. Oh. Let's get the water going. Cheers, one and all. Alrighty. It should be about time. This meal should be done. And I haven't had lunch yet, so this will be good. I don't know if the camera will focus on that, but it's got spaghetti noodles, beans, Well, my initial impression, it's kind of bland, to be honest. I mean, it's not bad. To be honest, I didn't read the bag. If I'd read the bag inside it had spaghetti noodles, I would have brought some Parmesan cheese with me. Cincinnati style chili with beef. Our way with spaghetti-tini. I'm not really getting any of the cinnamon. Maybe a bit of clove, and I'm not really getting any of the dark chocolate at all. Unless it's settled at the bottom, but I stirred it pretty well. Beans hydrated okay. The noodles hydrated okay. I'm just not getting a whole lot of, like, good flavors. I mean, it's not bad. I mean, it's not that it tastes terrible. It's just that it doesn't taste terrible. It just tastes kind of bland and boring, to be honest. Yeah, I'm getting a spoon down at the bottom. I'm trying to stir up, but it definitely needs something to go with it. Some ketchup would have been good. I didn't bring any ketchup, but it's not terrible. It's not great either. It's alright. I'd probably give it a 3 out of 10. Maybe a 4. I think some ketchup or some cheese, some Parmesan cheese really would have been good. A hint of dark chocolate. Where? Well, I'll make it a 4-way by adding your own shredded cheese. So I guess a good lesson today is read the package before you bring it out. If I'd known, I would have brought some cheese. Well, alrighty. So I've worked my way down to the bottom more, and I got this hit with this strong flavor. So everything's settled. Unfortunately, it's kind of like a pasty substance at the bottom of the bag. And now that I've stirred it into what's left, it's not really, it's almost a little too strong. So I guess I didn't stir it well enough. It's like this, sort of like a pasty substance down at the bottom. It's just not super enjoyable. If it had been like that throughout, if it had been mixed, dude, I didn't mix it well enough. You can see how dark it is on the spoon. It's almost like eating tomato paste. Whew. Yeah. I thought I stirred it well enough, but apparently I didn't. Alright. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. I think I got one more of these. Jamaican rice, I think. So I might bring it out next time. Or I'll see what happens. I'm still on the lookout for a new place to set up camp and spend the night, so nice days might be spent doing a little do a little road work. So I can't sleep out here. I can only do day stuff out here. So anyway, see ya. Hey, I was just thinking about something while I was packing up and about this meal. And, you know, not stirring it all the way may have been my fault. So I wouldn't say it was a slam on the product. But if you get this one, Cincinnati style chili with beef, just make sure you stir it really well. So, food for thought. I don't know if I'd buy this one again. I certainly wouldn't pay full price. You know, something you gotta be just, you know, heads up, stir. So.